Good evening, operatives. Welcome to Casino Royale. The stakes are high, the outfits are sharp, and the cause is nothing short of legendary. I trust you received your secret assignment, or at least found the dinner line.
Good evening, Agent X. You clean up nicely for a projection.
Why, thank you. I always dress to impress, especially when I'm beaming in from headquarters. You, Director Neve, look like you're ready to take over MI6, or at least this casino.
Well, someone has to keep the mission on track. We're thrilled to welcome everyone to our closing night Casino Royale fundraiser for the FFEA Scholarship Program. Tonight we're raising money to support the next generation of festival and event professionals, our future agents of impact.
Ah, yes, the real mission, subverting future talent. Now that's what I call top-tier espionage. Tell me, how may my fine operatives participate?
Simple. Everyone received your starting funny money when they arrived. Play the tables, have fun, and if you're feeling lucky or just generous, you can purchase more chips throughout the night. All proceeds go directly to the scholarship fund. At the end of the night, turn in your chips for raffle tickets for the items at the tables to my right.
Villainously gambling for good. I like it. It is like counterfeiting money with appetizers.
Exactly. And a big thank you to our incredible sponsors, without whom this event wouldn't be possible. They're the true masterminds behind the scenes.
A toast to them, then. May your drinks be shaken, not be stirred, your bids be bold, and your wallets be emptied.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Enjoy the food, hit the tables, and don't forget, this is your license to give back.
Remember, what happens in the casino stays in the casino, unless you win big, in which case I will be taking my share.
Welcome to Casino Royale, everyone.
Let the games begin, and watch out for laser sharks.
Fortunes never sleep. They whisper in the dark, they cut so deep. Every hand you play can take your breath away, and still you'll want to stay, because fortunes never sleep. Fortunes never lie. They glitter through the smoke and catch your eye. Gold will turn to dust, but luck will never rust. It tempts you and it must, because fortunes never lie. Secrets in the game. No face is ever real, no heart the same. Every kiss is sold for silver or for gold. A story bought and told, and nothing is the same. Fortunes never lie. They glitter through the smoke and catch your eye. Gold will turn to dust, but luck will never rust. It tempts you and it must, 'cause fortunes never lie. Find out. Fortunes never sleep. They hold you in their arms, they make you weep. Love is just a flame.